All right, modeling fractions. A lot of what we do nowadays, people want us to be able to turn mathematics into pictures. And so that's what we're doing today. We're taking our fractions and decimals and turning it into pictures. We did that with pizza, didn't we? That's how we started this whole mess with fractions and decimals, was with pizzas, which is a picture. But we've got to be able to do it more than just, well, we've got to cook a pizza and cut it up. We've got to take a model where we got things shaded in, things not shaded in, and be able to do that. If you notice, today and tomorrow is all we got, and then we got a review and then a test this week over all the fraction stuff. So we're down to our next test. We've already had one. Here comes number 2 on Thursday or Friday, whichever day you meet with me, which is Friday, right?
Yeah. No, Thursday.
Thursday, excuse me. Meet with me Thursday. All right. So, drawing a model or interpreting a model. Drawing a model or interpreting a model with fractions. I need blue. Where's blue? I need blue, Barrett. Help me out real quick. Right. Drawing a model, interpreting a model. Use this model to show 20 out of 30 students like Slobberknocker. You boys don't know what Slobberknocker is?
Yes.
Oh, we told you? Slobberknocker is? No, we don't play prison ball.
It's like
It's like
dodgeball.
It's not dodgeball because we're tougher than that. It's
Dodgeball.
war ball. But I got 20 out of 30 students do like Slobberknocker. So I've got to have 30 boxes. Those 30 boxes represent what?
Everybody.
All 30 total people in this story, right? Good job, Ty. All 30 people. Now that last box looks a little funky, doesn't it? Kind of went crazy, but you get the idea. Is there 3 rows of 10?
Yes.
There's 3 rows of 10, so we have total 30. Now I've got to somehow show 20 of them. How can I show 20 out of the 30? Yes, sir.
Shade the 20.
Shade the 20. Could I leave 20 unshaded?
Yes.
Yes, that's another way of doing it. But most of the time when we're showing a model, it's the colored in parts that represent the ones we're talking about. So let's shade in 20. Now what would be the easiest way to shade in 20? All right, brother, walk with the kid, hacker.
The top 2 there.
The top 2 rows. That's one way. Now Barrett may not want to. He may want to do 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and then till I get it. Is that okay? As long as you have 20 of them colored, because the 20 colored represent the ones that like Slobberknocker. So I could just go blue. There we go. There is the 20 people that like Slobberknocker. We have turned the story into a model. Correct? Now, could I have made a pictograph where I drew stick people? And some stick people be colored in and some stick people not be colored in. I could put a total of 30 stick people up here and color in 20 of them, and that's still the same model, isn't it? Showing 20 is different than the 10 because they're the ones that like it. Total 30. Man, this is hard stuff modeling, isn't it?
No.
I know, Wesselton, you'd look good in a dress walking down the modeling runway. Got the wall, you know, and then you turn.
Forgetting the way.
Yeah, us going to be good at that. All right, next one. Read that to us there, Brother brother. Si?
What fraction in decimal does the shaded portion?
In this model. Man, that was bad English, huh? Forgot the word in. Okay, do it again there, brother. Sorry.
What fraction in decimal does the shaded portion in this model show?
Now, something should have went ding ding in your head on this one. What went ding ding as you read it?
Shaded portion.
All right, shaded portion. All right, we're worried about the shaded part. Okay.
Fraction and decimal.
Ah, Brother Usselton. Fraction and decimal. Fraction and decimal. Fraction and decimal. So I got two answers, don't I? Don't just do one and take off and go to the next problem. We have two things. We must read carefully. Well, let's count the shadeds. How many? 25 shadeds. Oh, someone didn't listen to the question. How many shaded?
15.
How you know 15? You counted them.
5 times 3.
That's right. We have 3 equal things. Each one has 5. 5 times 3, 15. So 15 are shaded. What else do we need? What else do we need?
Denominator.
What else do we need?
Fraction.
No. No. Y'all are partially right. But you tell me, I need the denominator. It doesn't tell me what I'm looking for.
Which one?
No, I'm not.
Which one's the denominator?
Nope. Is that what we did over here? When we did 20 out of 30, which is the fraction 20 out of 30. The top was the what?
Denominator.
No. What was the top? Yes, it's the numerator. You're right, but that doesn't tell me anything. In the story, it's the
Shaded.
shaded. What's the bottom? No, it's the unshaded? Oh, good job, Hacker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got a 10 right there. So it's not the unshaded. Total. Total. The bottom is total. So over here, how many are shaded? 15. And what's the denominator as y'all want to have it? We got it. The total, which is 25. All right. I would mark that as my answer, but something's wrong. We learned last week and the week before something. Simplify. Simplify. Isn't that right, Palomino?
Mm-hmm.
That means I'm trying to divide by if I have to simplify. 5? Okay. 5. 5. 3. Fifths. Have we completed one of the instructions we were given?
Yes.
Finding the fraction. Finding the fraction. Okay? Now we need a decimal. Does anybody know how we can find us a decimal? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the cowboy, which is the 3, goes inside the house.
Oh, you want us to divide now. What we learned last week.
The cowboy goes inside the house, which is the number 3.
3 cowboy.
Then number 5, which is the one stays outside the house.
The denominator outside, the horse outside. Very good. We have to remember what we did last week. We've got to now convert our fraction to a decimal. 5 divides into 3. The only problem is 5 won't divide into 3, will it? Nope.
Nope.
So we got to do something.
Casper Decimal.
Casper Decimal. He's there. I just don't see him right now. I need him to show up to help me. So please show up, Casper Decimal. There you go. All right. But you know what? 5 still won't divide into 3.
Casper 0.
Casper 0 needs to come and help us. There we go. Now 5 will divide into 30.
6 times.
6. 6 times 5. 30, subtract, no leftovers.
Decimal.
Ah, good job, Alyssa. Decimal straight up. So my decimal answer is 6/10 or decimal 6. How hard was that?
So when you do that, just do it.
If that's what it asks for, what? Fraction and decimal. So I need 2 of them in this one, okay? See, this one over here just says, use the model to show 20 out of 30. So I did 20 out of 30. It didn't ask for a fraction, did it? It said, use the model. I used the model. This one gives us the instruction, here's our model. Give us a fraction, give us a decimal. 2 answers. Everybody with me on reading the instructions? All right, baritone, read this one for us.
What fraction and decimal does this model show? Shaded.
Shaded. Every once in a while I better put shaded because I've had students in the past tell me the unshaded parts. I'm going, oh, no. Got to do the shaded. All right. So, what do we know before we ever start? Brother Higgins, what do we know before we ever start? All right, but what do we know now? Right, I got 2 answers. I got to have 2 answers. Don't be going nowhere till after I finish 2 answers. All right. So here's our model. That's a funky looking model. Because I see 2 things. Reason, what do you think?
Image have one hole.
Ah! I got 1 hole shaded and then some pieces shaded. That tells me I'm really not going to have a fraction. I'm going to have a mixed number, right? So I got 1 hole. So here's my 1 answer right over here. 1, and then I'm going to have something with it, I hope. Right? So we got 1 hole. Do I need to worry about him anymore? No. As a matter of fact, my second answer is going to be 1 with a decimal. Can I go ahead and do that and be ready for my second answer? Doesn't that mean 1 hole? And then whatever's behind is going to be, didn't we ignore the whole number when we were making fractions into decimals? Sometimes, okay. So there's my 2 answers. 1 with a frac bar, 1 with a decimal. That takes care of this colored in whole thing. Now I don't need to worry about him ever again because I've got him ready to go. I need to worry about this guy. Okay? How many are shaded?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, that's the shaded part. What goes on the bottom, the denominator, what are we looking for? Total. Total. How many totals do we have? 12? Is there 12 of them? Sweet. All right. Will it simplify?
No.
Divide by, divide by? No. So what is it? 1 and... Look at there, y'all. I like it. I like it. So, we're done. What do you mean we're not done? Hey, got me over here. Got to get that second answer. This question wants 2 things. So how do I change a fraction into a decimal? Okay, I got to have my old house here. Here we go. Cowboy gets in the ranch house, but his poor horse stays outside in the rain. It's hot. We don't want him to burp on the floor.
You need the barn.
And he does, but we don't give him one. So what we got? Casper Decimal, gotta help us. Casper Zero, gotta help us. All right, 12 divides into 70. Ooh, that's a big old one. 5. 5 times 12.
60.
Now, if you can't do that in the head, would you watch this real quick so you don't have to go off to the side? What's 5 times 2? 10. Put down your 0, carry your 1. 5 times 1 plus 1. 6. See, I did my multiplication like this. I just did it across there with my carry my 1. See, isn't that a lot easier than wasting time over here? Just a little helpful hint there, y'all. Just a little helpful hint. All right. 0, 1. Oh, I got leftovers.
That's for 0.
Casper. 12 divides into 100.
2.
8. Let's try it. 8 times 2. 16. Carry my 1. 8 times 1. Plus 1. 96. Bajinga. 100 minus 96. 4. Another Casper, because I got leftovers. Bring him down. 12 divides into 40. 3. 3 times 2. 6. 3 times 1. 3. Uh-oh, leftovers again. Ding, 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 ding. What's going off in your brain? What's going off in your brain? We had 4 left over here. We tried something and we still have 4 left over. What's happening?
I think that it's not 96.
I think that it is.
Okay, it's just gonna keep on going on.
It's going to keep on going. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So do y'all want to keep dividing? No, because it's never going to stop. It's just going to be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So at this point, we don't put remainder. I told you that's elementary. We don't do that anymore. We're just going to stop. We've gotten pretty stinking close. Technically, you're supposed to put a repeat bar on top of it. That means that 3 continues on. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Alrighty? So, decimal goes where? Straight up. So up here on my 1, I put with it 5, 8, 3, and we'll just put a bar on top of that guy to show that 3 didn't stop. It's going to keep on going. Now, don't take your mind because of that right there, because of what you just saw happen. Don't lose sight of what we just did. We used a model to interpret and show a fraction and a decimal. Remember, these two are the same thing, even though they look different. One's in fraction form, one's in decimal form. They are the same. They are related. Kill it, girlfriend.